I finally made it to Indonesia's capital and I can't stop smiling! Michael and I just finished a 30-hour travel day from Tbilisi to Istanbul to Doha to Jakarta. Sprinting through airports has become the norm.
Every day now, every day.
I came off the plane exhausted and drowsy. We have made it to Jakarta and wasn't expecting to see so many happy faces.
I love Indonesia. Yeah.
Let's be honest, Indonesia's capital doesn't get the best reputation. All I've heard is that it's congested and overpopulated with the worst traffic in Asia. While the latter may be true, I'm finding Jakarta to be a lot more enjoyable than they say.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, man. The street food is insanely good. The buildings are shockingly modern. The Muslim culture is fascinating. So Indonesia is actually the largest Muslim country in the world. There's about 250 million people here. And as you can hear throughout the day, they have the prayers on the mosque. Even with the heavy traffic, there's this certain charm in the air that I haven't seen anywhere else. When people think of Indonesia, they immediately think of Bali. And while Bali is amazing, it's just one of 18,000 islands in Indonesia. It's nice to get out and explore a different part, such as Jakarta, on the beautiful island of Java. Tomorrow, I'll be filming another episode of my $10 series because I find it pretty cheap here. Stay tuned for a budget tour of Jakarta. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world. It's electric, it's sexy, it's tasty, it's confusing, but above all, it's futuristic. The Japanese are innovators. They somehow